In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with Gantt view and color settings in Smartsheet to visually customize your project sheet. First, start by opening your project sheet in Smartsheet. Make sure you're signed in and that you have the sheet you want to work on open. This is your main workspace where all your tasks, dates, and dependencies are stored. By default, many Smartsheet project templates open in grid view, which is the spreadsheet style layout. If you're not already there, look toward the top of the screen and click on the option labeled Grid. This confirms you're starting from the standard table layout. Grid view is great for entering and managing data, so it's a good place to begin before switching over to a timeline. Next, we want to move into Gantt view so we can see the timeline and apply color changes. At the top of the sheet, click on Gantt. When you do this, the right side of your screen will display a timeline with bars representing each task aligned with the dates from your grid. This view makes it much easier to see task durations, overlaps, and overall project flow. Once you're in Gantt view, look for the highlight or color-related controls near the top of the Gantt area. Click on the highlight control. This is typically used to visually call out specific parts of your project, like critical tasks or particular date ranges. From there, open the color settings. Click on the color settings option, which may appear in a menu connected to the highlight control. Color settings is where you define how your tasks, bars, or specific conditions appear on the Gantt chart. You may see additional highlight options as you refine what you want to change. Continue by clicking on the relevant highlighted area or menu item that appears following the on-screen prompts. Then click on Edit when that option shows up. This will open a dialog or side panel where you can adjust the details of the color rules or formatting. In that editor, click on the highlighted fields or drop-downs to select colors, conditions, or specific elements you want to style. You might, for example, choose different colors for different phases or emphasize certain tasks. When you see another color settings option, click it again to confirm or refine your choices. Finally, click on the highlighted confirmation or apply options to save these settings. Your Gantt chart will now reflect the new color configuration, giving you a clearer, more customized visual of your project timeline.